Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews on the latest beauty products. Today, I've got something special for you, the Revlon lipstick in 0113 Sleek Mulberry. If you're on the hunt for a bold, glossy lip color that also nourishes your lips, then this could be the perfect addition to your makeup collection. Let's break it down. Revlon's 0113 Sleek Mulberry is a lipstick that promises to deliver high shine, rich color with a super smooth, creamy finish. The formula is infused with a blend of hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe, and rose quartz, making it not only about the color, but also about treating your lips while you wear it. But does it actually live up to the hype? First off, let's talk about the formula. Revlon has packed this lipstick with emollients that really shine, giving that ultra glossy finish we all love. The pigment is strong and it goes on evenly without dragging, thanks to that creamy texture. When you apply it, you immediately feel that smoothness. It almost feels like a balm, but with the color payoff of a traditional lipstick. So if you're someone who struggles with lipsticks feeling too dry or uncomfortable, this one's a pleasant surprise. Now, I've been using this lipstick for a few days in different situations, whether for day-to-day wear or a bit more glam during an evening out. And I can tell you, the color definitely holds up well in terms of shine. It doesn't dry down too quickly, which means it keeps your lips looking hydrated for hours. I did notice that it needs a touch-up after meals or drinks, but that's pretty typical of any lipstick with a glossy finish. The color itself is a gorgeous deep berry, definitely a bold statement shade. If you're not into bold colors, this one might be a bit too much for you. But for those who love a rich, dramatic lip, it's a winner. The tone is versatile enough to complement both day and night looks. Now let's get into the ingredients. Hyaluronic acid is a standout here, as it helps pull moisture into the lips so they don't dry out throughout the day. Aloe is another key ingredient known for soothing the skin, while rose quartz adds a bit of luxury with its skin-loving properties. These elements definitely make this feel like a nourishing product, and I didn't experience any irritation or discomfort while wearing it, even for extended periods. On the flip side, the glossy texture can be a bit high maintenance if you're used to matte lipsticks. You'll need to be mindful about reapplying it throughout the day, and it can transfer a bit if you're not careful. So if you're someone who doesn't mind a little upkeep for that glossy finish, this might be perfect for you. But if you're looking for something that stays put all day without much attention, you may want to consider something with a more long-wearing formula. As far as value for money goes, Revlon is known for offering quality without the high-end price tag, and this lipstick is no exception. For the price point, you're getting a decent amount of product with the added bonus of hydrating ingredients and a flattering color payoff. Given that it's an affordable option compared to some high-end brands, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a new go-to lipstick. When it comes to alternatives, if you're willing to spend a bit more for a longer wear gloss or something that won't need as much reapplication, there are some options in the higher-end market. However, if you're a fan of drugstore finds that offer both comfort and color, this is a fantastic choice. You get the best of both worlds without breaking the bank. So who's this lipstick best for? If you love bold, glossy colors and want something that feels good on the lips while giving a high shine effect, this one's for you. It's a great option for those who don't mind frequent touch-ups and want to make a statement with their lip color. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this Revlon lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Link to purchase can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.